How you doing? It's Guy again at Imperial Pawnbrokers, and I'm going to talk a little bit about guns now. No, this is not a pellet gun. This is actually a real gun. It's a 22 caliber target rifle. That's why it has this long barrel, and it also has a very light trigger pull, so you could stay on target and not have to be shaking around or any less movement, to press the trigger, so you can stay on target with this thing. And we're big believers in the Second Amendment here. A lot of pawn shops, they're not doing guns anymore because it's just such a hassle with the paperwork and the audits once or twice a year from the state and the federal government. But we're still going to do it because, like I said, we think people definitely have a right to bear arms, and we're going to do everything we can to promote that right. And also we have a scope here that goes along with this. It's obviously a pistol scope, so the line of sight is a little further out, not like on a rifle where you have the scope right up to your eye. This one you could actually see when it's like at arm's length. So these two go together. So if you're into 22 shooting and you'd like to be very accurate with those tight groupings, come in and check out this Browning. It's a Browning 22 Target Master.